In this video we're going to show you how to search from your CMS Client software, and you'll be connecting to a remote device and searching the recorded data on that device. So the way that we search a remote device, we have some icons down here on the bottom right. The one you're going to want to use is RE-Search, which stands for Remote Search. And we can click that, or we can also, if we've got a list of devices or sites here, we can left click on the one we want. That highlights it, and then right click will show us all the options that we have. So we're going to want to go to Remote Search. So the next screen is going to be your search screen. So this is connected to the device already, and what it's looking for is what day you'd like to record. So the first thing that we choose is what day we want to look at. So in this blue box we have your year, your month, the different days of the week, and what days have recording. Now the days that have recording are highlighted in blue. All the days that do not have recording are in a light gray. So we'll select a day by left clicking on it once. And what this does is populates this entire day and all of the events or recordings that happened. So in our case we have motion recording pretty much throughout the middle of the day, so throughout the work hours. The timeline set up from 12 till 12, but you can also use these buttons in here to zoom in a little bit closer if you want to look at a smaller amount of time. We can zoom back out to see the full day. You have a couple of camera views available to you. Remote Search gives you the ability to go up to 16 cameras, but this icon here will give you a 1, 4, 9, or 16 camera view. We can start by playing all the cameras with this icon here, and then we can stop all the cameras. These icons here will give you your date search panel, which we have already up here. The camera panel, which will show you all the cameras that you have, which are highlighted in blue. And the last is the file list. And this will show you all of the different motion files or sensor files or whatever we have that shows recording. So we'll go back to the date search panel. We can highlight which camera screen we want to use, which is highlighted in this red box, and we can double click anywhere on this timeline. Now keep in mind that on the left hand side here you'll see this time changing as you move your mouse over. So as you move your mouse across, you'll see that time going forward, so you can choose the time you want to see. So we're going to try for about 1 o'clock. Double click on that time and your playback begins. Now you can double click on the screen to make it larger. Down the bottom right you have a magnifying glass. You can highlight to zoom in a little bit closer, so you left click and drag. And you can right click to back out of that view. If you double left click, you'll go back to your 4 camera mode. Or you can also go to this box again and choose your 4 cameras. So let's highlight another camera screen and we'll go to our camera selection box. So this will show us all the cameras again that we have connected that are all highlighted in blue. And I'll select camera 20. So when I click on camera 20, it will populate the video file. We can go to another camera screen and select another camera, let's say camera 24. And we can also close all the cameras as well. So let's highlight box number 1 again. We'll go back to our date search panel and let's search a previous month. So again, left click on one of the days that you want to see. Here it populates all the files that we'd like to look at. Now what we can do is look for individual files. So this last icon here will give you your file list. So when we double click on one of these cameras, we see a bit of snow. And when we are on our file list, we see all the files throughout that day that we can select. So we can go for chunks of time. So if we wanted to see what was happening at between 11:38 and 11:48, we can double click on this time, double left click, and it will take us to the video we selected. Along with searching these cameras, you also have your usual set of icons for playback. So we can go to a previous minute. We can go ahead by another minute, so if we're trying to skip lots of time. We can pause our video, stop our video, go to the next frame, play the video in reverse, and again we can also zoom in on the video as well. For more information, visit our website at www.ImpathNetworks.com, and thanks for watching.